Stand on your mat, shoulder distance apart, placing your hands on your hip. Shift the weight into your right foot as you bend your left knee in line with your hip. And then start to take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Point the toes, extend the leg forward, and then reach back. So moving back and forth, forward and back from the hip joint. Bend your knee. Crossing left ankle over right. Exhale and lean towards your right. Side stretch. Lower your left arm down, bringing left foot back in line with the right just for a moment so you can cross the left ankle over right knee. Bend your right knee and sink your hips down into a standing figure. Slowly lift yourself back up, placing both feet back down onto the mat. Inhale, extend both arms up high towards the ceiling, stretching the arms up, lift up. Lean towards the right, lean towards the left. Exhale, lower your arms down by your sides and repeat on the left side to complete your practice.